All right with you. Welcome to another video here on the channel. As you can see down here, today's subject is icons within the platform. Autistic. We know that by default, the platform already brings a gigantic and very complete library of icons that we can use in our applications, mobile or web. But there are cases that we want or need of a specific icon, and we need to import it from somewhere. And today I will teach you one of the ways to do it. If you want to know how it works, I'll explain after the vignette. For this example here, I will use this website here. AI Common Point IO is good. I will leave his link in the description. Let's start by coming here. Unusual app. Here in this part he will already bring. It's by default. I think 32 items if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they all already have inside. If you don't have, well anyway it could be that here there's already something that interests you, right? But I will give as an example here. If you come add as icons from library here, logically there are those from here who are paid, right? But here are others who are not. For example, this one from brands. I will add this one for example. Ready, as you can see. They are very beautiful icons, right? Well clean, and you can add this in. From EU, I will explain you how. After you select all libraries, they will all appear here. Are you seeing? And then you select the icons you want. I will select for example this star, this database here, and this magnifying glass. Ready? Each one you select it will show here. When you already have, you have already learned here everything you want. You click here on generate source. Ready here. And you have to pay attention to a little thing. Okay, come here in preferences. And that source named. It's good that you put something that is you will identify later easily. In your CS file, it's good. This name here was me that used it, comes as icons. Is here, and then you increase here what you need. Remember this part well, because it will make a difference up front. After you have your icons here, just download it. Ready, download done. It will come like zip. Okay, come here, give one right click. Extract the files. From here, okay. Then distract it is. We'll create this other folder here, and we're going to need the following. It's files. This style is good here. We're going to need to open it in some editor of code to copy all the text you have here and put in the CS of our application. And we will also need these files here. Okay, all these here. But now let's go inside the road service. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's good here with the rail service open. You will come here on date. Okay, later in resources. Right click. And import. It's here, my folder is already open, but I'll come back to show you. You open your folder. Comes in sources. It's good, and select one by one. Okay, I'll start with this one. This one. Adds as a feature. This is CVG. He will give you this message. Add it as a feature. And these other two here too. Ready? After doing this, it's here still inside the server studio. Comes in every one of them and changes this to play action here. For this second option, it's good. Change here from CVG. This one. This one too. Ready, this done. We need CSS. Who will call, let's say like this, these icons into our screen. Come back here in your folder. Come here in this file and open it in some text editor. I'll give you 2 clicks here to open it here in VS Code. When you have opened, you select all the text is fine. Copy all of it. Come back here for your corporate service and click here on the CSS button. Here be careful not to put. For example, here I am on my home page. If I put it here, it will stay. He will apply this CSS style only on this page. Application is here in the ABA that is of your entire application. It's good. Gives here one Control V. Soon he will give these orders here. See why? I'm going back up here. Here every source of this. It's standard, right? And I need is to make the call show to the platform. Where you're coming from. It's the URL from here. For example this. And the T here. I have to come here. And here this runtime P. If I copy it. And continues. It's good. Then you do the same thing there in your code. Choose each by the corresponding file. Here's the second one you can exclude. That this here does not. No need, it's good. Ready to change here by comma. And ready. The next one is TTF, which is this one. You click here on your resource. Come here in Wanda MPF. Copy this path. And continues. Okay, let me do this here for everyone. And when you finish, I come back to talk about the next step. Okay, as you can see, I started here. All these are less here. By the are less here from the files that I downloaded. Okay, do the same so as not to make a mistake, okay? And now how am I going to make it work? Here you already have is the family fountain that you lowered, right? So here already the URL indicating where he has that pull it from here. So it's and himself in this file he already comes down here. Are you seeing with classes of the icons you downloaded? I downloaded 1 star and 1 Sergio button, right? So here for example, if I copy this from here, I'm going to copy this from here. And I already have here 1 icon on my screen. Are you seeing? And I change this class here. I will put here is. This class he already changes on the spot. Are you seeing? If I move here for icon constant, I think it comes up if I'm not mistaken. He already bites on the spot. Are you seeing? So it's he kind of transforms. Is these icons here this sheet CS in 1 component that is already part of your application too. So you changing the name here. How do you do with common autistic icons? You already show the icon here. And it is also editable in the same way. For example, I can put here 3 times the size of the font. I can put font size. It works exactly as a default icon. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. If you are not enrolled yet, sign up. Activate the notification bell. And of course, like this video to reach more people who is also interested in learning autistic. See you next time. Until then.